What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to set your time and date on your 720. On the 720 and 765s, there is going to be GPS tracking time and date, but if for some reason it's not giving you an accurate time and date, you can shut it off and set it yourself. Let me show you how. Alright, first step, ignition on. Then you're going to click on the settings menu up top. It's going to bring you into the settings menu. Now you want to click regional. Here you have your time and date. You can set your formats, date, time, which we're going to have month, day, year, and then our time format is going to be 12-hour. Now here's where you can adjust your time and date. Click here. Now up top in the time adjustment menu, you're going to see GPS sync. If it's on, you're not going to be able to adjust anything, and it's going to automatically adjust for you. Now if you need to change it, you're going to turn this off. Now you can set your year, month, day, time, everything. So adjust it however you like. Year, month, day, the hour, minutes. And once you're happy with everything, you click set. And there you go. You're all done. And that's how you change your time and date on your 720 or 765 LT.